Hello all and everybody, returned with me Aldi Okta Zulfan. Here I will explain about Mesin 4 step and 2 step. One, understanding 4 step. The 4-stroke engine is machine work to generate power requires for high down piston step with one round US crowded and one round of US knock and camshaft process for full stroke engine. Here are the 4 process in 4-stroke engine. 1. Shaft it. The inhale step is the process aimed at getting the full air pump into the cylinder, as the power of the engine is produced depends on the amount of material burning during the combustion process. Slurping process in the inhale step, the process is the camshaft move it from the dead point up TMA to the point lower dead point TMB. The inlet valve opens. The fuel goes into the cylinder. The use part is rotating the gears use token is spinning the gears. The piston negative ratio will also be closely associated with labor production. Advanced process complete. The piston are moving back from TMB to TMA. The valve closes, the X valve stay closed. Fuel is compressed into the down combustion chamber. About 15 degrees before TMA, the spark plugs begin to light and starting the process and burning the US reset one full rotation, and the US has about 14 degrees before TME, the spark plug began to light and started the process in burning the US rod reset one full rotation 316 degrees, and the use was at 190 degrees. The business move. In the business step, there are process in batch. The detonation was perfectly formed in the piston fuel chamber, driven from the TMA to the TMB. Inlet valve closes fully wheel ahead. The end of the intake valve start to open a little. The transformation of the energy from one piston back and forth to one of the use. use cross rotation at 540 degrees. Rotate use at 270 degrees. Step echoes. The echoes sequence several process. Contact balance, wake, group as normal forces to drive on the cam set from cam B to cam A. Clap X when inlet close. Let for gas from combustion was driven out by piston port exhaust to the use cross perform to full rotation 720 degrees, completing one full rotation 360 degrees. Overlap. The overlap is a condition where both valve intake and on input surface for performs efficiency in the combustion engine. There are performance barrier mechanisms like inertia air in manifold. It will be necessary to open the intake valve before the piston reaches the final drop off to prepare for the slurping. The exhaust valve stays open until after the cam A. The overlapping valve is highly dependent of the engine design and how quickly it wants to work. Benefits of the overlapping process: for closing the burners, piston cylinders from that first cooling temperatures in the chamber, helping and exhaust scavenging, removal of gas, maximize fuel pressure diction difference no and engine for no. On engine 2, no in the on pivot. Crankshaft occurs on time ignition over engine for step. Once a round of combustion takes place in two-time chrono rotation on engine 4, there needs the valve mechanism to work with function open and close income, also and sink close, where in medicine two piston and piston ring are working for opening and closing the intake holes and sink close. At first, two engines were not equipped with a valve in progress on one-way valve was installed between the reference room and the carburation on purpose to prevent the gas that goes into the wall room from returning to the carburetor, keeping the pressure in the flush when the piston compresses the flush and income hole and exhaust hole in. Engine 2 in not on the cylinder wall, whereas on engine 4 is not on cylinder head. It's the most important section engine for doesn't use any second. Thank you. Explain both for step and two step. See you again.